Hey, welcome back my scrappin' friends. Today I want to do an album share with you guys. This is something that I created with the Simple Stories So Happy Together collection. So welcome guys. I'm Vanessa. I'm the creator and owner of Scrappin' It Up, and I always come on here and do my album shares with you guys. So yay. So this little cutie is it will hold 70 of your photos, and I did decorate it with the Simple Stories So Happy Together collection. And I did use the 6x8 paper pad, the basic kit that came with it, and then the collection kit itself, and then the bits and pieces with the collection to come up with this little cutie. I do have a tutorial on my website to where you guys can purchase and learn how to make this folio. It does include the cutting guide, the written instructions, supplies that I used, and process videos that guide you through the construction of this album. Alright, so go to my website, scrappinitup.com. I'll put the link down below to where you can click on it and it will take you to my website, okay? And I do have a kit if you are interested in it. I do have a kit for purchase too. Okay, so while you're there, check that out. If you want to make it with the same paper that I am offering a kit. Okay, so this album, like I said, will hold 70 photographs. The spine of it is made with kraft-tex. It is 1.5 inch spine. Mine's only 1 inch because I started becoming a chunky monkey, so I increased it for you guys. So, yep, I had to increase it. And it does have kraft-tex here, too. And I also increased that. There's the back of it. And it does measure 6 by 7. Look at that. I love this collection. It's beautiful paper. And it is perfect. You know, we've been staying home all this time. And what a perfect collection to be using right now. It's all about family and togetherness. It's a really wonderful collection, guys. So don't pass it up. Okay, so I just used some scraps from my, that was left over, and done some photo mats. And then this flips open like this. And I'll do one side at a time so that way I'm not shuffling it back and forth all the time, okay? So then this flips. So you could journal here, put a picture here, totally up to you. And then this flips. And then you have a little booklet that slides out here. And it just fits right back in here. And then you just have a couple of photo mats. These are slanted pockets here. And you could probably fit, 4 of them in here if you wanted to. And then you have a pocket here. Like again, journaling, put a photograph. I'm really big into the journaling because the people that receive these albums with your photos in them, or, you keep them and put your own photos in them, it's so important to journal what the pictures are about, because one of these days, we may not be around to tell the story, and yeah, it needs to be in your albums, some type of journaling. And it doesn't matter what your handwriting is. They don't care, if you've got messy handwriting. All they care about is what you are telling about the photographs, okay? So don't ever worry about how you don't like your handwriting. If you are obsessed with your handwriting, you don't like it, type something up on the computer and print it out and put it there, okay? It doesn't have to be your own handwriting. You can type something up and put it on here, just so that they know what the photos are all about. You got another little booklet here. That opens up. Look at that. Oh, I love it. I just love this paper. And then you open it up and you have a little belly band there. A couple of photo mounts. Again, I just left them blank because we want the room for our pictures. And then that opens up. So that's one side of the folio. And the other side mirrors this one, okay? So this side mirrors this one, okay? So that flips. Very cute. And again, we have a little pull out here. And I'm just, again, using my scraps left over from the collection. I like doing that. It's a nice way to use up scraps. And again, you know, just a couple of photo mats in our slanted pocket. And then we have another little pocket here. And then that opens. Well, I was gonna say, I know that pulled out. It never fails you on camera. And then we have this here with our little belly band. Very cute, guys. I hope you guys want to make this folio. It's actually, it goes really fast. It's easy to decorate. I mean, you could have it done in a couple of days. It really is a very quick folio to put together. And it just flips back. So don't forget, guys, if you guys want to learn how to make this folio, go to my website, scrappingitup.com. I will put the link, like I said, down below if you want to order the kit. You may order the kit. Go check it out too. That's all I have for you guys today until my next album share, or I'm going to teach you something, okay? So, hey, we will be talking to you guys later. And as always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.